Chapter 8. Importance of Animals. In this chapter, you will learn about Introduction to Reserves, Hunting and Selling of Animals, Animal Products, Conservation of Wildlife. Factoid. Animals are important to maintain the environmental equilibrium. Manav and Mania are insisting to visit Jim Corbett National Park. Their father agrees and decides to visit there on the coming weekend. But he instructs them not to roam here and there without his permission, as most of the animals there are dangerous and wild in nature. Mena asks, "Why are these animals kept in the national parks?" Her father replies that these animals need proper climate, habitat, and a proper ecological balance to live. To protect such animals, the government has made zoos, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and other reserves. As the weekend arrives, the family moves to visit the national park. Do you know? The Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand was the first national park to be set up in India. It was named after the hunter-turned-conservationist Jim Corbett. Some animal species have become extinct, which means all animals of their species have been killed. Animal products. Animals play a very important role in human life. From sea animals to the land animals, all are very important and useful to mankind. Let's see how milk, eggs, honey, and several dairy products are obtained from animals directly or indirectly. Animals' fur and leather are used to produce many products like handbags, rugs, coats, hats, shoes, jackets, etc. Tusks of the elephants are used for making ornaments. Silkworms provide silk, which are used for making clothes, bags, suits, etc. Feathers of birds are used for making pillows and shuttlecocks. Exotic sea animals like sea urchins, etc., provide beautiful ornamental shells which are used to make many useful items. Do you know? There are some communities, the people of which are fully dependent on animals for their livelihood. The Yadavas and Gujas of North India are some of the people who rear cattle as their full-time professions. Hunting and selling of animals. People use animals to satisfy their needs. Some people rear animals to sell their meat, eggs, wool, milk, etc. Some trap birds or snakes to sell them in market. Some use animals as the means of transport. Some use them to entertain people like in circus, etc. All such examples show the dependency of people on animals. To earn their living or to satisfy their greedy needs, they hunt, sell, or use animals. It is a fact that animals provide valuable products to us. Their teeth, skin, fur, horn, etc. are extremely valuable in Indian and international market. These valuable parts are sold throughout the world at high prices, because of which animals are hunted illegally. This act is also called poaching. Some animals that are poached are animals killed for elephant tusks to make ivory goods, tiger skin for decorative items, black bear and rhinoceros medicine and cosmetics, chimpanzee and gorilla bushmeat, musk deer hairy gland called musk to make perfumes, cheru hair to make a special type of shawl called shatouche. Conservation of wildlife. Preservation and protection of wildlife and their environment is called conservation of wildlife. The government is showing concern and is aware of the declining number of wild animals. They have launched certain important programs to conserve the wildlife. Thus, many national parks and sanctuaries have been set up to conserve wildlife. To protect wildlife in their habitats, many projects have also been started like Project Tiger, Project Elephant, etc. Do you know? In order to protect tigers, the government of India initiated the Project Tiger in 1973. This project seeks to protect the tigers and preserve the area in which they live, so that they get suitable environment for their survival. Wildlife is significant for our survival. We should take certain steps to ensure their safety, like aware people about the significance of wildlife. Motivate people not to use the products made from animal skin or body parts. Do not take animals away from their natural habitat. Limelight. It is a common perception that people like mathouts, madaris, snake charmers, etc. treat animals badly, but it is not true in all cases. They do use animals to earn their livelihood as they are poor, but they love and treat them like their own children. Keywords: reserve a piece of land that is a protected area for animals. Task: a long pointed tooth. Conserve, protect or guard. Illegal, outlaw or unlawful.